Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today we're going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Link Square sunglasses for women. And to be honest guys, it's on the women's section of the sunglasses side, but like I can see men wearing it too because to me they look unisex. Like it's something I would wear. So I guess just all based on personal preference and stuff, because like you know how women can wear men's sunglasses, right? But men can wear most of women's sunglasses, But this is one of the exceptions to the rule, I believe, because it's just a very nice, simple, yet bold design. But anyway, guys, let's get right into it. Oh, and I believe it retails for like 750. But full disclosure, guys, I don't pay full retail prices for these items I unbox. Just full disclosure, guys. But anyway, let's get right into it, guys. Starting off is you've seen this. If you watch my channel, you've seen this lots of times. Classic LV box. Classic LV case. Classic documentation. Comes with a dust bag. And just a close up of the box again for you guys to see. Let's get right into the sunglasses. And there we have it, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful pair of sunglasses, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. It's simple in the front, but on the side is where you let them know, hey, that's what we're doing today. We're doing the LV today, guys. But anyway, some LV sunglasses say Louis Vuitton. This one just says LV. Just trying to give you guys a close up of the LV. I think we got it. Yeah, okay. And so, like I said, on the side is a bold gold LV. Bold and gold, guys. Bold and gold. Black and gold. Bold. Bold gold. Get it? Anyway, yes. So, as you can see on the inside, has the Made in Italy. Made in Italy, Paris, Louis Vuitton, date code, sizing, I believe. And on this side, more sizing, and you guys can see that. But yeah, guys, these are awesome, guys. These are just, and on the tip you also have the flower on that side, and I like these guys, and they feel very heavy duty, like durable. I feel like this is one of the pairs you're going to be working if you take care of them. We all know, guys, if you take care of LV sunglasses, most of them, you're going to be wearing them for a while. You can wear them for years, guys, years. And these are just like, I feel like if you just get into sunglasses, you can buy this straight up, because why? You can use this to dress up. You can dress it down. This can be like a regular, or running errands, grocery store, blah, blah, barbecue day or pool day, or this can be like, you're going to a party or you're going to the club, whatever it is, you're going to a event. You can dress this up or down. And I love sunglasses like this that you can dress up or down, versatile sunglasses. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Just a beautiful pair of sunglasses, and I'm a big fan of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I plan to upload one video every day this year, so 365 videos for 2025. Let's see how it goes, guys. It might be 365 pairs of sunglasses, can be whatever, but we're gonna get it this year, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.